About to show y'all how to make the greatest sandwich of all time. Check this out. All right, let's make the sauce. This sauce is so awesome. I love this shit. I'll make another video of just the sauce if you ever want to come back and just make this sauce to put on something. It's one of my favorite sauces. I make a bunch of sauces, but this is Alabama white barbecue sauce. They call it Alabama sauce or white barbecue sauce. Okay, check this out. Get you a big bowl, put 2 cups of mayonnaise, and then we got your spices here. I'm going to read the spices off to you because I got it written down. It's 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of paprika, half teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1.5 teaspoons of black pepper, and that's the dry spices. Half a cup of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Whisk all this up. That's what it looks like right now. To taste this sauce is just one of the tangiest, best sauces you're ever going to try. But I feel it's so tangy that I like to cut it with a little sweetness. So I use a little bit of honey. You could use as much honey as you want. I'll show you how much I use. I usually use about 4 tablespoons worth. Check this out. I heated that up in the microwave. Got it all melty. Pour it in there. It was about that much. Whisk it up. Now this sauce, if it sits in the fridge overnight, gets even better. That's really what you should do. You should make this a day before. But you could put this on anything. I love this on fried chicken. You know, try it. That's awesome. I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator and we'll go to the next thing. Alright, so now we're gonna make the corn cakes. Some people call them corn cakes, some people call them corn fritters. Either way, they're fucking delicious. You could make these with sour cream, which is a classic way of making them. Or if you wanted your corn cakes to taste like hush puppies, you could use mayonnaise instead. Either or, I'm going to make the classic corn fritters. So here's the recipe. Beat the hell out of 2 eggs. And 1 package of classic Jiffy. That's it. That's what you use. I'm going to... It's hard to do this holding the camera. I need a cameraman in my life. That is... Here, hold this camera. That is half of a small onion. So, that much. You know what I'm saying? You can use any color onion. This is just what I have right now. So that's what I'm using. 1/4 cup of sour cream. We might end up using a little more. We just gotta see the consistency of this. And then we just gotta get our corn ready. Need a big ass handful, or maybe a handful and a half of some fresh corn. Corn, just cut corn off the cob. I cut this up less than a year ago. That's it. Mix it up. Add a little salt and pepper. Just a pinch of both. And you got your corn cakes. We're going to fry these up. Alright. Get your skillet with a little olive oil. Spread it out. About like that. I made that one a little bit too big, but it'll be alright. These corn fritters by themselves are fucking awesome. You don't beat them. Could put a little butter on them if you want, but always gonna eat the first one. That's what you want right there. Look at that bad boy. Fry them up till you got a pile like that. All right, it's time for fried chicken. Fried chicken's easy to make good. This is a go-to recipe that I use all the time. It's allows you to be lazy, or you can make it as extensive as you want. You just put your spices in your flour. Take a bunch of chicken tenders and I soak them in Frank's Red Hot. That's it. You know, get all the chicken blood off of them. Throw them in a bowl. Pour a bunch of Frank's on there. Take a bowl of flour. Big bowl of flour. Add a bunch of pepper. It's gonna be a minute. I'd say about, I don't know, half tablespoon, maybe whole tablespoon of pepper. About half tablespoon of salt. It's messy around here. Smoked paprika. You don't have to do this. You could just use flour. Smoked paprika. Just whatever you want. Put a little bit of garlic in there. Put chili powder, chicken bouillon. Sometimes I'll put Cajun seasoning, but I'm just going to go with that today. I'm going to show you the difference between regular fried chicken and how they make it extra crispy. Alright, you take your chicken fingers, put them in there, right? You could just batter them. That's going to be like original recipe, you know what I mean? But if you wanted to get them real flaky, squeeze the shit out of them. You could even punch them. You get that flour to stick to them, shake them off. That's going to be a good, flaky, crispy chicken finger. Just set them aside. Do every one of them like that. Squeeze it. Get that flour caked to that chicken. Alright, get your oil on your stove. Get it hot. Just put your chicken in there. Just fry it up. Look at that fried chicken, son. Look at that. Beautiful. Check this out. A little coleslaw. Just a little, give it a little crunch. Couple pieces of chicken, some Alabama sauce. Oh, it's going to soak in that corn fritter. It's going to be amazing. Give me a knife, babe. There's no good way to eat this sandwich. You're going to fuck your face all the way up. It's going to be in your beard, in your chin. Bro, that's so good. You gotta try this. It is so good. That's all I got. See y'all later.